Hey guys, welcome to your final quiz about chemical reactions. We're going to do a reaction right now, and I'm going to ask you in the quiz if this is a chemical or physical reaction. So I am here live in my classroom in Chinook, and I have in my hand a piece of magnesium metal. You might see that it is shiny, it is silver, it is malleable. That means it is able to bend. I wonder if it's flammable. Should we check? Let's check. Okay, so I'm going to put it here on this stand. And I'm going to stand out of the way over here. You notice I do have eye protection on, but right there. I'm going to hold this flame up to it. Oh, yeah, you can see that I already got this flame going. And then once we see the reaction, we want to know what the properties of the products are still. So I'm not looking directly into this thing because it's hard to see it. Maybe if I stand in front of it, you guys can see how bright this light is that's coming off. You can see this smoke that's coming up. I'm actually going to turn on that hood. There we go. Because there's quite a bit of smoke coming off of this thing. When I get that sucked up and not set off a fire alarm. Okay. So we have now, as I'm sucking up more, maybe you guys can hear me. I really don't want to set off a fire alarm on like the few days that school is open. Well, the school's not open, but I'm here. So I'll turn that off so you guys can hear me okay. We have here a product. Actually, that smoke that you saw coming up, that was a product too. This, I don't know if you can see the color. It is white. Before we said it was malleable, that means it can be moved. Actually, before I want to test its malleability, I want to test its flammability, its ability to burn. So I'm going to hold this back up to it. Does it burn? No, it does not burn anymore. It's getting hot. What happens if I poke it? I'm just going to poke it with the match I was using before to see if it's still malleable. Not malleable. It just broke and kind of fell and shattered into a bunch of pieces down here. So not malleable. Now it's white. Now it is not flammable anymore, and its density went from 1.7 before, the density of magnesium metal in here, to about 3.7 grams per cubic centimeter. It's the higher the number, the denser the material is. So its density is about twice as dense now than it was before. Your job is to answer the questions below about whether this is a physical or chemical change, and how do you know? Good luck.